Welcome back to Unveiling Beauty. My name is Nick Stenson, and this is the second episode for our holiday season of all the best gift-giving opportunities at Ulta Beauty. And of course, I brought back my three good friends, Anna, Jaleesa, and David. How are you guys?
We're amazing.
Excited to give more gifts.
Yes.
More gifts, more gifts. We have no shortage of gifts this season, right?
Since I got a bad reputation last time for hoarding on gifts, actually, can I kick this one off?
Sure. Are you actually going to give them away this time?
Not only am I going to give it, Jaleesa, I'm giving you a whole box this time.
Gosh,
Wow.
Hey, look.
that feels so special. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, okay.
I know.
You know me so well. Okay, so I got the It Cosmetics brushes. Now, I am obsessed with these, Anna. Do you have?
You told me.
Oh,
Yeah.
from day one.
Okay, so these are dual-ended brushes. They're super versatile. And I love these because I use it for foundation, for blush, like contour. These are my favorite brushes. You don't understand.
No,
I'm
I've
probably
heard
gonna
you
get
talk
myself a
about
second-
them,
a
and I
second
heard you
one.
talk about the fact that you needed to get more. So listen,
Yeah.
I pay attention. Pay attention.
She's watching. Okay, so next, Tula Skincare is really good. Now, I first fell in love with this brand because the founder actually used to be a gastroenterologist. She's very much in tune to the ingredients and what's good for the skin. So this is perfect. This is a day and night peptide mask and then the cooling and brightening eye balm, which is great because I've been traveling a lot and your girl, I can't be looking tired, you know? And of course, I love me some fragrance. Miss Ariana does it
That's a
so
cool
well.
brand.
This
Does do it
is
really well.
so cute. I actually have a couple of these. I actually have just these two. So this is perfect for me because I need more travel size.
I mean, it's like,
You want one?
I do want one, and I just know so many people collect these, like
Yes.
full-size ones, like the collector thing. But I think especially for that Ari fan in your life that really wants to collect all and get all the scents, maybe doesn't quite have all of them yet. Or what I love about sets like this is kind of like you get to see what is your full-size purchase next time you're in the store, which
Exactly.
is so
So it's, you have kind of like really get to discover what your scent is because you really want to wear something for a little bit and see, what your favorite is.
But you guys know how I like to layer, so you
I
can
was
just layer it all on.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much.
All right, Jaleesa, what do you got for us?
Ooh, okay. So I have a couple of things. And what do I want to give first? Let's do fragrance.
Okay.
I have so many. Okay, so I actually love Arabella. Have you tried it? It's Bella Hadid's fragrance line.
I have been I love Bella Hadid. I've been dying to try this.
Oh my God. Okay, so I've done her makeup a few times. She's gorgeous, but she actually was on a healing journey. She found that a lot of fragrances was a little bit like, giving her a headache and, she wanted to create something that was a little bit more healing. So these, you'll find a lot of notes of like tonka bean, sea salt, jasmine, a really nice mix of fragrances that you kind of could decide what you want to buy full size of. So here you go.
Oh my God. I need to open up these right now because I see also the bottles look so gorgeous.
pretty.
The taste level is there, I will say.
Yes.
Also the packaging for this, great stocking stuffer.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me, I'm just gonna open
I'm
it
like,
up.
open up.
I'm like, I'm about to
Open it.
open this up because I
and
really need
love,
to scent.
I love that there's this discovery set is super affordable, especially because
Really
when
well
you
done.
invest
Yeah.
in a fragrance, you want the big bottle, you want that
Right, of course.
that feeling, and this is a perfect way to kind of figure out
I
what's
think
your vibe.
Nightcap is calling my name right now. We're just gonna spritz it on the wrist and see what it's
Nightcap.
giving.
Let me smell it on you.
Oh,
He properly.
oh. Oh, you
my
know not to
gosh.
rub, okay?
No rubbing.
You just tap it on the wrist and then you let it set until it dries down, but just from the
So
top.
nice.
Wow.
That makes
Oh, that's
Delicious.
really lovely.
yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, I
okay,
love.
I'm gonna get myself one.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Okay, so Anna, I already know you have your Dyson from the last episode. So you are on a journey from now into 2025. Fabulous hair all year. So you have the tools, but you need the products. Okay, so I'm giving you two gift sets.
Ooh, okay. So
Redken
love this. Love this, love this, love this.
and this one as well.
Okay, so thank you so much. So this is an absolute fan favorite. This is, my hair tends to get really dry. It
Yes.
tends to get really just kind of crunchy feeling. And the Acidic Bond Concentrate, this is an amazing trio. And it's actually going to, it's completely changed my hair game. It's completely changed my hair game. This one, I know that they just launched last year we actually had Redken on an episode, or in a previous episode, and I've been a fan of this because this actually extends. It's like getting a salon gloss in your shower. So I absolutely love this. Yeah, no, this is like
Especially if you
32
have-
32 washes. Like this is incredible.
Especially
So-
if you have color in your hair, right?
Exactly, especially. So this is, thank you so much. This is the sulfate-free shampoo as well as the conditioner. Love, love, love this.
I love that.
Thank
That
you.
stuff is flying off the shelf.
It
these
is.
days.
It is.
Especially if you're someone that goes to the Ulta Beauty salon, which you should be. We use the Redken Shades EQ in the salon. So this is a
do.
great thing for
Yes.
at-home care as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's your lucky day. You were so nice to me. I have more for you.
listen.
Okay,
I'm not
so
complaining.
you have the hair on point. Now I'm gonna give you some makeup. This is Buxom. So they have a plumping lip trio. It comes with a lip liner and 2 shades of gloss.
Fantastic. Thank you. You know, I love a good plump lip. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers to them.
package is
This is
so
great.
cute.
It's so
So cute.
cute.
I know.
Yeah.
Is that textured on the side?
No, it's like
It looks like
a
it's
texture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cute.
Love this. Love this. And the shades are, there's, let's see, there is a mini full-on plumping lip polish and a lip cream. Fantastic. And a lip liner. So this is fantastic.
See, so your lips
can, like,
won't dry
layer-
out this
So
winter.
cute. That's right. No, so important. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Mwah.
All right.
Sorry, guys.
David, what do you have?
Okay, so, oh my God, I have so many things. Do you know how hard it is to walk into Ulta Beauty during holiday season and not want to buy everything in the store for yourself? But, you know,
Every time I go on store visits, I buy something.
I have,
Like if you never was in the store before.
I have to.
It's the best time to go into Ulta.
So this is for you, Nick. This is from Philosophy.
thank you.
These are 3 sizes of their most popular scents from their body washes.
this.
I have been introduced to the Philosophy range multiple times throughout the years, and each time I'm just like, God, they're so good. The scents are just really fresh. I do love that it's a shower gel trio. You can never have too many body washes. You're going to love these, and the scents are perfect for the holiday season.
They did a really good job on the naming too. Peppermint Stick, Christmas Cookie, and Snow Angel. Look how cute.
that.
So fun.
This is a really great gift. And you know what's so cool about their packaging? Throw a bow on it, it's done. Like it looks
Yeah.
really
Right,
good.
they
You don't
don't
even
have
have
It's beautiful. Just put it under the tree.
to from. You just sign it up and you're good to go.
This is a really lovely, because I know, you know, with having kids, it's also always like, what do I get the teachers? What do I get the teachers?
Yeah,
That's
it's
such
true.
a lovely gift for coworkers, for teachers, for people in your life that you want something special, something that's luxurious, but then it's at a really affordable price point.
I
Love
agree
that.
with you.
It's gonna last too.
Well, this is, it breaks my heart to give this away, but I know that you're going to love it. Peach and Lily is a brand that became viral for their glass skin effect, as we know. It's just like really juicy, dewy, plump skin. And they have some viral products all packaged all together in this one gift set. Jaleesa, I'm going to give it to you, my love, because I know she loves to glow. She loves to be dewy. She likes to look luxurious.
I do.
So this does have a full size of the Rescue Party Barrier Comfort Cream, which
Yes, I need
we
that.
love that, especially when we're flying. But then, of course, the Glass Skin Veil Mist, the Refining Serum, which is truly their most iconic product, I think. And then they also have the
Glass Skin Mist.
Oh, it's so
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's
So I'll tell you,
good.
Anna and I just had the founder Alicia Yoon on the show, and she did a whole segment around glass skin, and it was spectacular.
Spectacular, so
she really spent a
transformative.
lot of time and detail into these products. and They're beautiful.
It has the polisher, it has the serum, it has the mist, it has everything that you need to create that look that is so, I think, trendy right now, but not just trendy. It's healthy looking skin.
Yeah.
And I love that healthy looking skin, it is what's trending. It looks gorgeous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Another super cute kit.
Sorry, I'm like,
Well, while you continue opening that, I do have one more gift that I want to give away, and this is to Anna.
Ooh.
This is from a brand
Yes.
called Lift Tinted, which you know, Deepika. Shout out to Deepika, she's a friend of mine. I'm so proud of her doing this brand, and it's at Ulta Beauty. This has 2 of their most viral products, viral on TikTok. It has the blush and also the highlighter drops.
Yes,
So
obsessed.
what I love
Obsessed.
about this set is that it's so smart because she wants you to mix them together.
Yeah.
So you put a drop of the highlighter and the drop of the blush together and tap it on your cheeks. You are going to be glowing all winter
Oh, thank
long.
you. You have
Perfect
no
for
idea.
these gorgeous
So
cheeks
excited.
of yours. Beautiful.
Love. Oh, we were joking, you know, that because we were talking about Lift Tinted and what a great job she's done, and that like we want to bathe in this stuff. It's so good. Just glowy all over.
like a jumbo size.
I just
really
all
good
over
on
my
the body,
body.
too.
I just
Yeah,
like
it looks
lather
good
it
on the body.
everywhere.
And a little bit of this goes a long way. So this is a great way of introducing it to someone, getting it for yourself, and again, an excellent gift for anyone in your life that you want to glow. Love this.
But
Thank
we
you.
know you're not going to gift it. You're just going to keep it.
Yeah. I mean, trust and believe. I bought a second one for myself.
This is a
so.
gift for me. I'm keeping this one.
All right.
Mine.
I have a few things over here. First one I want to give to David because I don't think I've seen your kit and I don't think you have this one yet.
Okay.
So open that.
Professional hairstylist to professional hairstylist.
Exactly.
Okay, let's see what's going on here. First of all, the packaging, the wrapping. Did not expect any less. So let's see what we have here. Oh, y'all.
Oh my God.
You don't have this one yet, right?
You know what? I have it in my personal kit
Oh.
when I do content, but I wanted to put it in my hairstylist pro kit.
There you go.
To have a tool that is so great, not only I think for the consumer at home, for you at home to use, but also that professionals want to have it in their
Yeah.
kit, I think is a testament to the tech that's in here. This is so great. I know I have gifted this to my mom and my sister. And I want to tell you why. Because it has, of course, the capabilities of drying your hair like a hairdryer, has a diffuser attachment, it has a frizz fighting, it has a wide tooth comb. It has everything that you think you're going to need in a really inclusive way. So for hair types like mine that really want to get that really beautiful technology of a really great fast hair drying dryer that's also going to take care of your hair. So this is going to go straight into my kit. Thank you, Nick, because
Shark did a really great job on that
Yeah,
tool.
they
They really did.
they did a great job. One thing that I love about it, and it never gets old, is when you turn it and flip it.
Yeah.
So it's like a wand, and then you push the button, it turns into a dryer, so it looks like this on one side, or it's going to be straight up and down and create a wand effect to create
Super
the curls.
cool.
It's really cool. Thank you so much.
All right. There's more. And there's more.
And there's more.
There's more. And there's more. Where do I want to go next? Where do I want to go next? Okay. This one's for you, Anna.
I'm so
You
sweet.
guys. So what am I diving right in?
more
Cheers.
skincare.
Drunk Elephant. Yes.
Drunk Elephant.
Oh my
what I
gosh,
love about
this is
this
great.
kit, 2 full-size products. Really nice. If anybody has not used Drunk Elephant, beautiful brand. I love their little, what are they
The
called?
broad straps or the hyaluronic? Which ones?
Littles. The Littles.
They're
Oh,
They're
the
littles.
the travel
So
size.
cute.
they are very cute, very well packaged. The packaging and what's inside the package is even better.
Yes.
because-
Yeah, the packaging is so cute. I'll pick it up just because of that.
But this one is so cool because for the price point, you
This
get
is
2
great.
full-size products.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah,
And
it's
this goes
insane.
deep into moisture hydration. So the peptide cream, as well as the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, which is so good for this time of year. Typically, I mean, I take really good care of my skin, but I don't know how you guys feel. Like January, February, and even into March, my skin is continually it's parched. It's so thirsty. I can't get enough of it. So the fact that this is hydrating is perfect. Thank you so much.
course.
You do love me, Nick. You
Yeah,
do.
I love you. I give you a lot of help, but I do love you. All right, and last but not least, you know, who doesn't love a little Carolina Herrera?
Oh,
That's
classic.
going to you, my love.
Oh my God, thank you.
I just am obsessed with the packaging. The bottles are so great. How cute are the little ones?
It's so cute. It's so me. Yeah, I'm like, I need these heels in real life.
I was like, I need to feel in real life.
But I'm gonna be smelling great all year round.
You are.
Thank
You are.
so much, Nick.
So as you can see, everything from hair, skincare, cosmetics, tools, and we have so much more. So stick around and come back next week for the 3rd episode of Unveiling Beauty to round out our holiday season.